In this lecture, we are going to focus logical operator as well as bitwise operator. So here, logical operators are perform the Boolean expressions and non-Boolean expressions, and result is also the different. So for Boolean expressions, it returns the Boolean value, and non-Boolean expressions, it returns the expression value. So how it will be there? So logical operators can be categorized into and, or, not. These three keywords. And is there. What is a and? When all arguments are true, all the expressions are true, it will be going to return the true. Otherwise, it is the false. All true, it is a true. Otherwise, false. Anyone is there false, it will be false. And what going to are all false, it will be false. So anyone is true, this expression, from the expression anyone is true, it will be going to true. And not, it returns opposite Boolean value its operand. Suppose we are passing a true, it is going to return false. If false we passed, and it returns true. For this is for Boolean values, true and false base. And non-Boolean values, 0 is false, and empty string is also empty string, like a empty list, set, tuple, dict. Any empty string, list, these all will be going to like a false. And also non-zero could be also false, non-zero. And all integers 1, 2, 3, so on, whatever it may be, the number will be going to true. I am going to give some examples. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, A and B I am doing. A and B. So I am going to check this. A equal 20, B equal 30, and print A and B, we are going to check print. So 30 is returning 30, A and B. So why it is a return 30? Result may be X or Y, not Booleans like a true or false. If A is evaluate the false, then result is B, and A is evaluate true, then result is Y. Means that based on A only, the return result will be depends. Suppose you observe A value is going to 0, nothing but A value is false. So A value is false, in the sense automatically B is true, and A is true, and return is result is false. Like A true, B will be there, and A false, and the result could be B only. So now I am going to take like A is false, I am going to pass this. The A false, return is false. A is true, and the return 30, A and B. Suppose same way A or B. So and what is meant by and? Both could be true, it will be returns true, and anyone is true, it returns the true. Anyone, 0 false. So A and B could be, anyone is true, it will be true. And suppose I am giving A and B are true, actually A and B are true. A, so A is actually false, we are getting result as a true. And suppose B is already true, we are getting false, not value. A not, a B we are going to check. Same. So how it will be, how it is responding here? So non-Boolean case, first you notice this all the thing, then you consider A value is empty string and B value is some value, then and. What is a and meaning? All expression should be going to true. But A is false here, A is false, and B is 30 in the sense it is a true, false and true, but one is false, one is true. So the output A and B, it will be going 30 as a result. Both are false, so we get actually here false. Logical operators. So here you observe A value 10, B value 20, C value 30, D value 40. A less than B, C less than D. Then here we are passing AND. What it does, A value 10, B value 20. This expression is true and this expression is also true. So true and true, both expressions are true. So it returns, what it returns, we are going to check what we are getting. Both expressions are true actually. So here I am going to check this. So here I am going to check print A less than B and C less than D. So this is our expression. So here I am going to execute. So we are getting a true boolean value we are getting. So A and B, and suppose I am going to change the A value is going to 100. So we get false. Why? Because the first expression is false. And suppose we are going to do here R. What is meant by R? Both expression, any one expression is true, it will be going to true, right? So in this way we are going to get the result. And the next one is the boolean. So here and are not. So all true means A, B you consider A value is true and B value true, we get true as a result. This A value is true and B value is false, A value false and B value true, and both could be false. So in this situation both could be true also. In this situation we get true. Any one is result is true, it will be true, and both false, it will be false. And not in the sense, not is true going to false and false going to true. So it changed the result. Next one is bitwise operator. Bitwise operators are used to perform operations are individual bits of binary numbers. These are performed at bit level. Bitwise operators can perform bit level. So these operators are this bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, tilde, this is a NOT operator, and left shift, right shift. Here we can perform bitwise operator for only for integers, but not for float. Not for float. Float values it not works as a bit values. So what is AND, OR, XOR, and NOT, and left shift and right shift? First we can focus how to we convert bit value. Suppose A value 5, how we are converting? So A value 5, 2 2 ja 4, remaining is 1, and 2 1 ja 2, and remainder is 0. So here 1 1 0 of 2. You can check this one. 2 into 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 2 into 1. 0 1 2. Here this value is 1, this value going to 0, and this value is going to 4. 4 plus 1 5. This way we are getting this bit level values it performs. So when you are doing A and B, A value is 5, B value is 10. So first it compares, it checks the bit values, get the bit values, then it will be going to compares A and B. So directly it not compares A and B. So here this is a logical AND. If both bits are true, so when you are doing to A and B, suppose A value is 101 and B value is 111. So when the AND we compare, both bits are true, then result is 1, otherwise 0. So first bit value is true, so return is 1, and two bits are different and return 1. Two bits are similar, true, it will be going to true. Same way bitwise logical, bitwise OR, the same thing, A or B we are going to compare. So 1 0 1 1 1 1. So any one bit will be true, it will be true. So this way we get. Suppose this result, triple one result, what is the value of triple one? 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1. 0, 1, 2. So 2 power 2, 4 into 1, 4. And 2 power 1, 2 into 1, 2. And 1. So 7. 1 1 of 2 is 7. 1 0 1 of is 5. And bitwise XOR. So what is the value of bitwise XOR? If both bits are different, then result is 1. The both bits are similar, the result will be going to same. Suppose 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. Both bits are similar. It will be going like a 0. Both bits are different, it will be written 1. So the result would be 3. Not. This is a not. Bitwise not. So 0 will become 1 and 1 become 0. Means true, false will be going to true and true will be going to false. And left shift operator, right shift operator. Shift the bits of an integer to the left side of by specified number of bits. Suppose A 3 zeros we are assigning to this A. What is the value of A value? 5. Suppose A value 5 in the sense 101 is bit value. We are going to add two values. How we are going to add? So 3 values. Suppose 3 values we are going to add. So then the result could be different. This is a right shift operator. Then what going 0 0 0 and 1 0 1. So we add zeros to left side and right side. That is a left shift and right shift. So I'm not going to in depth for this left shift and right shift. So generally how it will be works. So completely these bitwise operators can perform at bit level, not value level. So I'm going to check these all the values here. Now A equal to 5. A equal to 5 and B equal to 7 I am going to do. So when we are going to print A and B we are. So at the bit level it compares and returns the value. 5 is a return. Suppose A value 50 and B value 70. Then you will be get the different answer. 20. How it will be works? So I'll check this one. A value 50. 50 to 25. Remaining, what is the remaining? 0 remaining. 2 12 ja 24 remainder 1. 2 6 ja remainder 0. 2 3 ja remainder 0. 2 1 ja remainder 1. This is the value 1 1 0 0 1 0. And the 70 means 70. 2 35 ja remainder 0. 2 17 ja remainder 0. 2 8 ja remainder 1. 2 4 ja remainder 0. 2 2 ja remainder 0. 2 1 ja remainder 0. So value is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. So it will be checks. So this bit level it will be going to convert. The both values are, both elements are similar, then it returns the 1 and true, and otherwise the false. So how it will be going to check? Suppose A value is 70 and B value is A value 70 and B value 50. Then the result completely different. 2 and 68 is written. So based on the bit values it will be going to check. Suppose A value less than 3, then the result is 560. Suppose A value right shift, the return will be different. So based on left shift and right shift also the result could be going to different. Either tilde A XOR A become B XOR, the result could be the different. So based on these bitwise operators we will be get the result. Bitwise operators are bit level, it will be perform bit level. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.